In this video, we'll show you how to set up offline conversion tracking for Google Analytics 4 using Octanist. First, log into Octanist and head to Integrations, then to Outgoing. Here, click on Add New, then select Google Analytics 4. You'll be prompted to enter a name, measurement ID, and API key. To get your measurement ID, head over to Google Analytics 4. When in Google Analytics 4, make sure you are logged into the account where you want your converted and qualified lead data to end up. First, head to the admin panel. This is normally found in the bottom left by clicking on the cog icon, then navigate to your data stream and click on it. In the top right, you will find your measurement ID. Copy this. Now, head back to Octanist and paste it into the field under Measurement ID. Go back to Google Analytics and click on Measurement Protocol API Secrets. If you haven't done so yet, acknowledge the data processing terms for receiving and sending events. Once done, click on Create. Give it a clear and concise nickname so you and others in the account know what it is being used for. For example, Offline Conversion Tracking, Octanist. Once you receive your key, copy and paste it into Octanist. When finished, create your Google Analytics 4 connection. That's it, you're all set. Now, whenever you mark a lead as qualified, won, or lost, won leads will be sent as close convert lead, lost leads will be sent as close unconvert lead, qualified leads will be sent as working lead. We use these names because they follow the suggested naming conventions in the Google Analytics documentation. These names will also be automatically added to the lead generation reports provided by Google Analytics. For better reporting in analytics, add the custom dimensions lead status and unconvert lead reason to view the text values of your notes entered in Octanist. Lead status is sent with working leads, for example, called lead, waiting for follow-up. Unconvert lead reason is the reason why the lead did not convert. As with the event names, we follow the naming conventions from the official GA4 documentation for this. And that's it. You're now fully set up to send your lead statuses back to Google Analytics 4. If you have any questions, please visit our documentation at docs.octanist.com or reach out at support@octanist.com.